Hey, and welcome to Step Up Boss Up TV. This week, I'm going to be showing you how to create Instagram story highlight covers for your Instagram feed. So, using Canva, it is super simple to create one of these. Now, there's the hard way to do any kind of design in Canva, and then there's the easy way. The hard way is when you go in, you search in the search bar, you just search for the Instagram story highlight cover, and you come in and you select a blank template and you start from scratch. Unless you really know what you're doing, I wouldn't advise this. Now, what I would advise is to go with one of the templates. Now, they don't have a lot of templates, but the templates are a good place to start to create your own unique design. And all the templates are there for, when it comes to Instagram highlights, is basically to show you where to position your fonts, your text, or your images, because you need to position in a particular spot in order for it to, kind of like in the middle here, in order for you to be able to show it on the highlights, and to show it in your Instagram stories feed as well, and for it to look pretty. So I actually started one of these earlier, so actually let's just start it from scratch. So you can just select any one of these templates. I went with this one. Actually, let's go with that one this time, and literally just drop that in, and then all you have to do is just make sure that whatever design you put in, whether you're going to have fonts or text, whether you're going to have text or you're going to have an image, it needs to be positioned right here. So for me, I'm going to have text, so I am going to start by changing the background color to white. Then I'm going to go and grab some elements. Now I'm going to grab this element and I'm going to it's positioned over. I'm just going to make it slightly bigger so it can actually fill in this space. Let's see if we can position it perfectly. Perfect. Okay. Then I'm going to position it backwards. Then I'm going to get rid of this. So now all I have is the element that I just added in. I'm going to throw in my brand colors. Then I'm going to get text. It doesn't matter of the position right now because I've still got to like choose this font that I want. Let's go for that. And I also want it to be white. Let's see. Let's start putting in my text. That can be a bit bigger. So it's literally that simple. And then to create some others and text, I can just put free bees. Quotes. Now, let's say you don't want to put text in here, you want a beautiful icon. It's just as simple as putting in text. So let's go and find some icons in here, and let's see what they've got. That would be great. Okay, so for instance, let's say you're a travel blogger and you want to show your travel. So let's get rid of that. Put that in there. And we could change the background. Something like that. That looks ugly, but you get the point. You can literally just throw in an image on top, or you could actually just get rid of that completely and just throw in a circle. So go that to the back. That's perfect, because then you can just delete that, and there you go. You have image, and then you can copy that. So you also talk about some beauty stuff. Got some. You can literally throw in that kind of icon. So you can get rid of that. Throw in this. Make it bigger. And all of a sudden you have got a pretty cool looking Instagram highlight. And then once you've got all your highlights created, all you have to do is just download. I just saw this and I thought that would be pretty cool to have in here as well. Anyway, that's it. So you could literally, all you have to do then now is then download your highlights and add them to your Instagram stories. Cool. So that's it for this week. I hope this helps you in creating amazing Instagram story highlights for your Instagram stories feed. See you next time.